Hi, this is John Roberts from Pivotal Software. This video is covering Pivotal Greenplum Cloud Managed features in the Azure Cloud. Let's first get started with gpmaintain. This utility automates the scheduling and execution of database maintenance tasks. Let's first look at cron tab. You'll see that gpmaintain runs every 10 minutes. This is checking a configuration file to see how often you want gpmaintain to run, so you can easily update the schedule. By default, it runs weekly. To execute it manually, you run gpmaintain and you pass in the log file. The log file will contain the detailed output from all of the maintenance tasks that are run. Standard out will have detailed information regarding how long each step took to execute. So vacuum analyze a catalog took 6 seconds to run. Other tasks include reindexing the catalog, vacuuming tables with bloat, and analyzing the entire database. Looking at the log file, the detailed log file, you can see all the steps that were executed. gpoptional automates the installation of optional components. This is run by just running the gpoptional command. You can see that php pgadmin has already been installed. Next, we will install Command Center. Command Center installation requires installing many components within your database that are somewhat automated, but the gpoptional tool completely automates all the execution of tasks needed to install Command Center. This is also the same utility that's run during deployment. If you were to pick the Command Center installation, during the installation of Command Center, the database has to be restarted, and this gpoptional utility does this for you automatically. After the database has been restarted, the gpcc binaries are then installed. As you can see, this is completely automated for you with no interaction required. The output of the installation will contain a URL to get to Command Center, as well as the username and password. The password is the randomly generated password that was created during the deployment. As you can see, gpcc is completely ready to go with no user input during the installation required. Our last demonstration here is gprelease. This tool automates the upgrade of database optional and cloud components for you. By looking at cron tab, you can see that gp cron release runs every week. It's checking for new versions, and if a new version is available, it will update your message of the day. You can see by running gp cron release that a new version is available, so it did update the message of the day. If we exit and then log back in again, we can see the message indicating that there's a new cloud version available, so that I need to run gprelease to upgrade this version. Logging back in again, you can see that the message of the day has been updated.